Hey everyone, this is Zach with 8020 Media, here today with a video on signs and symptoms of a bad valve cover gasket. The valve cover of an engine is essentially the top of the engine, which seals the cylinder head, and the valve cover gasket provides the seal between that valve cover and the cylinder head. Valve cover gaskets are just a very simple gasket on internal combustion engines. However, it is a gasket that is very prone to wear and tear and is really one of the most common oil leaks, especially on older vehicles once you approach that 10-plus-year-old in 100,000-plus mile ballpark. Valve cover gasket oil leaks really tend to become much more common, and really there aren't any vehicles that are exempt from these problems. Some brands are a little bit more prone. BMW, for example, tends to run into valve cover gaskets on certain engines even earlier than 10 years and 100,000 miles. It's important to point out one more thing. Since the valve cover seals the cylinder head, there can be a different number of valve cover gaskets on your vehicle depending on what engine you have. V6 and V8 engines tend to have two cylinder heads, which means they will have two valve covers and two valve cover gaskets. On the other hand, inline engines like an inline 3, inline 4, inline 6, all the cylinders are in a row. There's only one cylinder head, therefore one valve cover and one valve cover gasket. With that said, let's go ahead and jump into some of the most common symptoms of a leaking valve cover gasket. Number one, the most basic symptom of a leaking valve cover gasket is visible oil leaks. One thing to mention here is visible oil leaks on the ground after the vehicle has been parked for an extended period or a few hours could be a sign of oil leaks from different areas of the engine. When a valve cover gasket oil leak develops, it tends to start pretty small, and again, since the valve cover and the gasket are at the top of the engine, sometimes small leaks, the oil won't even make it onto the ground because oftentimes that oil can drip onto extremely hot components like the exhaust manifold or engine block where it's burned off, or in other cases it can actually drip down into the spark plug tubes. So ultimately, a visible oil leak isn't always something that you're going to see, even though you might have oil leaking from your valve cover gasket. Moving on to symptom number two of a bad valve cover gasket, we have low engine oil. This one's pretty straightforward. Depending on the severity of the leak, you might start running into low engine oil. Valve cover gasket oil leaks and many oil leaks in general tend to start pretty gradually. And so if you're just losing the occasional drop of oil here and there from the valve cover gasket, then you might not run into any low engine oil. Even if you're going a whole 5,000 miles between oil changes, it might not be significant enough to even notice low engine oil. However, as that leak begins progressing, then you likely will start noticing low engine oil. However, at that point, there should be many more signs and symptoms that are a much bigger giveaway. The leak will be severe enough that you'll almost certainly be seeing drops of oil left behind on the ground, as well as other symptoms. So something to keep in mind there, that low engine oil can be a symptom, but if you don't have anything else going on and you're running into low engine oil, that can also be a symptom of a lot of different engine problems. Moving on to symptom number three of a bad valve cover gasket, we have smoke and burning oil smells. So again, a lot of the times with a valve cover gasket oil leak, that oil will actually drip onto parts that are extremely hot where that oil will pretty much instantly burn off, and that will result in smoke and burning oil smells. So if you pop your hood or even with the hood closed, if you're seeing some smoke coming out, that could be a sign of a valve cover gasket failure. And likewise, if you have burning oil smells, especially while the vehicle is running and you have the air conditioning or heat turned on and it's cycling from the outside of the engine near the engine bay, a lot of the times that smell can be pulled into the cabin of the vehicle. Last but not least, symptom number four is misfires and bad spark plugs. One area that oil may leak into is the spark plug tubes. What happens when it drips down there is it can then start coating the ignition coil as well as dripping down the spark plugs, causing improper combustion or an improper spark, which ultimately leads to misfires from the engine, and that can also trigger a check engine light, and misfires will also store a fault code in the car's computer. So if you hook up an OBD2 scanner, you should be able to pull the codes if you're seeing misfires and have some of these other signs and symptoms of a valve cover gasket oil leak. Then those misfires can be further reassurance that it is indeed the valve cover gasket that is leaking, and some of that oil could be dripping down into those spark plugs and spark plug tubes. That sums up the most common symptoms for valve cover gasket failure. They are pretty common and straightforward. A lot of these symptoms are shared with other oil leaks, leaks like visible leaks on the ground, burning oil smells, low engine oil, so on and so forth. But the biggest things, again, with the valve cover gasket to be on the lookout for are going to be those burning oil smells and smoke coming from the engine bay, as well as potential misfires, because that oil does often end up on hot components and burn off, or end up in the spark plug tubes. So those are typically the most common symptoms with a failing valve cover gasket. On the other hand, a leak from the oil pan gasket will likely leave a very visible oil leak and stains on the ground. And so usually when you have something like an oil pan gasket issue, you won't get that smoke or those burning oil smells. So moving on to the final topic, talking about some common causes of valve cover gasket oil leaks. Number one, I already touched on this. Valve cover gasket oil leaks often just boil down to age, mileage, natural wear and tear. These gaskets are typically made out of rubber, plastic, or cork-like materials that simply degrade and begin hardening and cracking with time, and that's what then allows oil to begin leaking out. So that ties into what I was talking about with these valve cover gasket oil leaks tending to develop later on in an engine's life cycle, past that 10-year and 100,000 mile mark. Moving on to another common cause of valve cover gasket failure, we have issues with the positive crankcase ventilation system. These components are responsible for venting excess built-up pressure from the crankcase. If that valve isn't working properly, you can have excess pressure in the crankcase, which can then force oil out of the valve cover gasket and cause it to degrade it and wear down faster than normal. So that is something to consider if you ran into a valve cover gasket oil leak. Make sure you double check the health of your PCV system and make sure everything is operational there, because if you do have an issue with that PCV system, you might end up replacing the valve cover gasket and then ultimately running into a failure very soon again because you have that excess built up crankcase pressure. We do also have a video on a failing PCV valve, so if you're concerned you may have that issue going on as well, certainly check out that video. Otherwise, guys, that wraps up our video for today. If you appreciated the content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the description below for more. Thanks, everyone.